Choosing another codec. When you export to a new media file, you can choose the format and codec that will be used. With the timeline panel active, press Command-M on Mac or Control-M on Windows to display the Export Settings dialog box. Open the Format menu and choose QuickTime. In the Preset menu, choose Apple ProRes 422. This is a rather specific sounding preset, but it's just that, a preset, which pre-selects options from other menus in this dialog box that you can change if you need to. Click the output name, the blue text, and give the file a new name, Review Copy 02. Navigate to the same destination you used in the previous exercise and click Save. Below the Export Settings area, you will find a series of tabs containing important additional options. Click a tab name to view it. Click the Video tab to bring it forward. In the Video Codec section of the Video tab, browse the available codecs from the Video Codec menu. Choose Apple ProRes 422 HQ. This produces a high-quality file in 10-bit that many editors choose for final delivery. You might need to scroll down or resize the panel to see all the settings. When you change the settings, the preset menu switches to Custom. Scroll down to view the basic video settings area of the Video tab. By default, the settings will match the source. The Match Source button will override all the manual settings below to match the output to the source. Click to select the Audio tab. In the Basic Audio Settings area, make sure 4080,000 Hz is chosen from the Sample Rate menu and 16-bit is chosen from the Sample Size menu. Just below that, in the Audio Channel Configuration area, make sure Stereo is chosen from the Output Channels menu. These audio options are common standards for professional media delivery. Click Export at the bottom of the dialog box to export the sequence and transcode it to a new media file.